This kid's gonna be the best kid in the world. This kid's gonna be somebody better than anybody ever knew. Then the time come for you to be your own man and take on the world, and you did. But somewhere along the line, you changed. You stopped being you. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward.
Let a nigga try me.
Get it tight, get it tight. There it is, get it tight.
And I ain't playing with nobody.
You got this, bro. You good to go.
Breathe, boy, breathe. Breathe.
You're fine, relax. Alright?
And I ain't playing with nobody. Fuck around and I'ma catch a body.
Switch hands. Let's mess. Beautiful.
Nice, Benny. Nice, Benny. Yes.
Yes. Come in.
Busting through your door like here's Johnny. Got the shotty in my pants, walking like a zombie. Black gloves, black mask when I do them grimy. Everybody get headshots like an ID. Follow niggas just to shoot them like the paparazzi. And I ain't sparing nobody. I'll pop up at his wake and kill his fucking Nazis. Keep that 40 right beside me, it's like we Siamese. I say ready 247, tell him come and find me. Kill you, they gon' kill a beat, that's a double homie. I'm LeBron.